Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lassiter Middle School in Louisville, Kentucky, part of the Jefferson County Public School District. And it was an honor to be back here again. It's been a couple of years since I was in person, and we got to revisit the theme on bullying. I'm right outside their cafeteria in the gymnasium where we had the assemblies today for all the grades 6, 7, and 8, 3 separate programs. But I like the No Bully Zone signage that's behind me. And the main focus today was on bullying, and specifically looking at someone's heart first, right? Being able to see someone the same way that you see your best friend and treat them the same way that you treat your best friend. Our hearts are as big as our fist. We can let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn this into this. Peace sign, right? One finger ourself, the other someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person. But also it's two, because in just 2 seconds, in one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a great way, a positive way for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays on someone's heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So to know that we have this power to impact a life forever, maybe even save a life, right? By what we say and do, we know that we have to be all in for this planet. And when we're talking about bullying, bullying has to be something over and over and over again, repeated on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, even those 2 seconds, right? That one word or action can still have that same effect. And to realize that, to consciously be aware of that, to know that, we need to be that change that we want to see for this world, for this school, for this city, this state, this country. I mean, it's up to each of us to do our part. And the students really got that. There were a lot of pin drop moments today. A lot of students that said that I touched their heart and were able to share with me, some of their pain, past pain, but knowing that we can be hurt people who hurt people, we can always turn that into healed people who heal people, right? And go out into this world, be that light to other people's hearts, not only see them for their heart first, but for this too. Every one of us on the palm of our hand, with the lines on our hand, have the letter M, right? I traced one of mine here. And this M, I say, stands for miracle, right? Just like my shirt. Upside down W, it stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we truly need to buy into this and believe this, because so many students that I speak to and people in general, they've never been told this, or they might have forgotten this. They need a reminder. And we can be the people that do that for them, right? And if we're able to do this, then we can start to make a difference, right? Not only in our school culture and climate, but, even outside these school walls. And, even if we learn hatred, right? We can always unlearn that. We can always still choose kindness, and knowing that, people aren't cruel, kids are not cruel. They're all just mirrors. All of us are mirrors. And what we choose to reflect, right? Hopefully it's something positive and not negative. But no matter what we've been through or are going to go through, right, or are currently going through, we can still choose to show that kindness and choose that love. And so many people that are hurting, and that's the big reason why they bully, right? They're pushing that pain on someone else. That if we can be that kind of, really be that person that shows them the opposite, right, of what they usually expect, but show them this love that can overcome some of that hurt, then it might change their heart. It might transform them, right? To finally, realize that, they too can be able to choose more compassion in their life, more empathy, more understanding, more acceptance, more inclusion. And that's such a powerful, powerful lesson to grasp and really understand at a young age, right? To know that, yes, we can make a huge difference even when we're young. So such a great day, such an amazing, morning with the students and staff here. So many that said, yeah, I touched your heart. And if I did, that means you have a big heart. So now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you treat yourself and others going forward. Thank you again. Have a great school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on the screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.